Under the Police Act, Cap 85, the Fiji police has the powers to make arrest, interrogate and detain any individual suspected of committing an offense. In circumstances where the Fiji police are faced with a strong resistance and violent actions from drunkards, drug peddlers, violent robbers, etc., they would institute reasonable force as a means of self-defense to counter and deflate the situation. Madam Speaker, we should not forget that there are cases where police officers are being brutally assaulted and seriously injured in the exercise of their duties. There's a total of 118 cases of resisting arrest in 2018, 2017, 2018 alone. Madam Speaker, let me highlight the proactive actions currently taken by the Fiji Police Force to curb police brutality, which includes the strengthening of the Fiji Police Force Internal Affairs Unit, which has ensured a swift, fair and transparent investigations, enabling the unit to adopt a strong concept of monitoring the system-wide advocacy and improvement concept. Also, in doing so, a total of 1,082 activities such as training awareness and lectures to the personnel of the Fiji Police Force was conducted last year. Stringent guidelines are in place to steer police operations and minimize brutality by the police. The recent introduction of video recording and first-hour interview procedures has contributed to the reduction of complaints against the police officers. The Fiji Police Force intends to modify all interview rooms nationwide under the tier modeling concept, and the budgetary implications will be reflected in the budget for 2017-18. As a means of streamlining the reporting and investigation process, the Fiji Police Call Center, along with the daily back briefs on any incidents purportedly of brutality or excessive use of force, is attended within the first 24 hours. Madam Speaker, the Fiji Police Force is also obliged by legislation to seek the sanctions of the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions in the establishment of prima facie before charges are being laid. In addition to this, the internal tribunal processes are activated where the purported officers are placed on immediate suspension from active service until the case is resolved. Madam Speaker, let me assure this House that every Fijian, let me assure this House and all Fijians, the Fiji Police Force will not condone police brutality of using excessive force, and any use of excessive force will be thoroughly investigated to ensure that justice is served. Thank you, Madam Speaker.